Alright. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this, and welcome to the Traveling With You channel. I'm Ethan Streblo, your host for today. I've taken over this channel, and I'm holding it under ransom. Today I'm here at the Kirby Cafe with my good friend Yu Yamada, but seems like he went to the bathroom a while ago and he hasn't come out, and so I'm just going to start without him, but let's see. Where is he? Oh no, there's some people over there, but wait. Oh no. Oh, he's getting in the way and everything. Oh no. What a nightmare.
Yeah, alright. Away from people. Alright, great. This is an open spot.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
Are we maniacs?
yes.
Are you a maniac?
Yes. Also, welcome to my channel. Traveling with You, where we do this apparently now.
Yep. Anything for the views.
Anything for the views. Although, low-key, I think this video is not going to get me.
This
The more effort I put, generally the video does not get any views.
Honestly, this video is for us. This isn't for anyone else.
This is a love letter to us.
This is a love letter to our friendship.
Jumping back into my civilian clothing, we're at Kirby Cafe, which newly opened on the 9th floor of Daimaru Department Store here in Shinsaibashi, Osaka. This place is reservation only, and I had to reserve 2 months in advance to get in, so if you want to come, make sure you check when reservations become available on their website. As you can guess, the whole restaurant is filled with cute Kirby-related items and decorations, and just fun to spend time looking at the small details throughout the room. And of course, the main event, the food. You'll really have a hard time picking what to eat or drink when everything here is just too cute. Here's Ethan's choice, the Kirby Burger. Topped with a Kirby-shaped bun with soup and pasta on the side, the star-shaped tater tot adds a nice touch. I started my meal with hot cocoa, complete with decorative art only found in Kirby Cafe, Osaka. Every order includes a coaster, which you can take home as a souvenir. My meal of choice, the Waddle Dee omurice. When they deliver it to you, they tell you to please finish eating before he wakes up, which has a lot of terrifying implications that he is indeed alive when you take a bite out of this thing.
What's your final rating out of 5 stars?
I'll give 7 Poyos out of 5.
Okay.
7 for Kirby.
What about in the context of a cafe, of like a theme cafe?
Of a theme cafe, probably like 4 out of 5 stars.
Okay.
Quality's fine. I mean, the price is expensive, but like that's what you expect.
Yeah.
The portion sizes are tiny. That's probably what I'll give in the -1. Other
Yeah.
than that, I mean, it does its job well. It accomplishes what you need to do. So,
Yeah.
if you love Kirby, I don't see why not.
Once you're finished with the meal, you can enjoy going through their gift shop, where you can buy exclusive items like plushies, magnets, accessories, and even plates used in the cafe. And that wraps up our adventure at Kirby Cafe. Thank you to Ethan for joining us today. Make sure you go check out his channel. You can find it in the link down below. If If you like my content and want to support my channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support is what keeps this channel going. As always, see you in the next one, Space Cowboys.
Arrival.